Here in Chelan, there's no shortage of incredible wine, but that's not the only beverage that celebrates and utilizes local produce. Here at Chelan Craft, Cynthia and her husband Eric Flynn are making some delicious ciders using, you guessed it, local apples.
We use basically dessert apples, grannies, goldens, pink ladies. We ferment down to 0 residual sugar, and you end up with this base cider that's kind of tasteless, very dry. And so that's when I back sweeten with either concentrates to get flavors.
You really are a mad scientist. You're just mixing, oh, let's try a little of this, a little of this.
Yep, that's pretty much it.
Should we try some of the fruits of your labor?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Well, let's get started with ginger pear.
Ginger pear. Oh, but it's good. You taste that bite of ginger in there and that sweet mellow pear.
This is black currant.
Ooh, okay, now this looks fun. I like that. It's just, it feels a little bit more brighter, a little more bubbly than this one did.
Let's do the very first one we made, the lemon.
This is definitely something you can see just chilling out by the lake. And after a couple of sips, that lemon starts to sit in the back of your palate.
All right,
and the final.
Cherry
the coup de
vanilla.
grace. Here we go. Cherry vanilla. I can already smell it. Once that cherry hits, it really sinks into your mouth and it does feel like you're just biting the cherry.
I love cherry ciders. So how can we make a cherry cider that's a little different?
Right.
There's a lot of great cider in this valley. So if you ever want to just come to taste a bunch of cider, Chelan's a great option.
You guys are doing great. And if I had to rank them, ginger pear, black currant, lemon, and my favorite is the cherry vanilla.
Cherry vanilla.
You know, they are all delicious. So the next time you guys are in Chelan and you're looking to taste some tasty ciders, then you guys get on over here to Chelan Craft Cider and taste for yourself. Discover your own rankings. I'm taking this one.